flat protein on the label, has a marketing budget of almost $2 billion. And they are allowed, because it's regulated under this, because it's a processed food under a different jurisdiction, can make claims that Whole Foods can't. And you can imagine for the consumer, what is a consumer to do? The consumer is getting a story that, you know, this whole food is bad for you, eat this processed one instead, when at the end of the day, it's a marketing budget that is allowed to have flexibility in the story that is being promoted.
Yeah. I mean, 700,000 versus 2 billion.
Come on. And also, you know, milk can't be disparaging against almond juice, whereas milk is a highly bioavailable form of calcium. Vitamin, you know, has vitamin D in it, great for kids and bones, versus, say, oat milk. It's just not, it's who it affects our children. The messaging affects our children. And again, humans are very good at locking onto something they hear, and it creates a cognitive bias for their life decades later. And you and I were chatting before that it's so much easier.
Finally, nakapagtupi na rin tayo. Is na dito sa laundry room. Mamaya tabi ko na yan mamaya. Ngayon ay mag-workout na ako habang tulog si Matilda. And then, sa taas naman, magba-vacuum and mag-mop, maglinis sa CR. And then, gawin ko na yung lumpia at mag-marinate mamaya. Hindi ko nagawa kahapon. Sobrang busy na ano yung oras ko kay Matilda. Sa kanya lang. Kasi gusto niya lagi nasa labas. Palaihi. Kailangan ilabas siya lagi. So, dami pa talagang gagawin. Today, mag-a-add ako ng magle-lifting weight ako para sa aking workout para maano kaagad yung muscle. Ma-build kaagad yung muscle. So, day 5 na ako nagwo-workout. Kailangan ituloy-tuloy ko to. Kasi pag